Namaste students, welcome to Supermaths. Class 10 exercise 5.2 12th question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? Now let us name our APs as AP1 and AP2 and their terms as A1, A2, A3 till A100, which is the nth term, and second AP we can use any other letter because to differentiate both APs to B3 till B100. And now for AP1 we should create an equation where an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 100 and our a is a1, which can be written as a. N is 100 minus 1, d we don't know. So sorry, it is not 100, it is a100. So a100 is equal to a plus 100 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 100 minus 1, it is 99d. This is our first equation. And for AP2, which is Bn, equals b plus n minus 1 into d. It is B100, which is equal to b plus 100 minus 1 into d, which is b plus 100 minus 1, it is 99d. And now, what is given in the question? Common difference. Common difference of 100th term is 100. Difference between AP1 and AP2 is equal to 100. B100 equals 100. Now let us substitute with the equations, which is A100 is a plus 99d minus B100 is b plus 99d, which are equal to 100. Then a plus 99d minus into plus, it will be minus b, minus into plus, it will be minus 99d, which is equal to 100. And then 99d and minus 99d get cancelled. So what is left? A minus b is left, which is equal to 100. Okay, 100th term is equal to 100. So now let us find the difference of 1000th term. What is given in question? A1000. Let us write the formula. A plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 1000 minus 1 into d, and then a plus 999D. This is our 1000th term of first AP. Now let us find the second AP. I'll write here only, which is our B term. B 1000 equals B plus n minus 1 into D, where B as it is plus number of terms is 1000 minus 1 into D. Okay, and then it will be B plus 1000 minus 1, 999 D. By subtracting A term, A 1000 minus B 1000, we get, let us substitute A 1000 with A plus 999D minus B 1000 value B plus 999D. Okay, which are equal to, we don't know, we have to find the difference. That is the question. Okay, now in the next line, A plus 999D minus into plus, it is minus B, minus into plus, it is minus 999D. Okay, and then plus 999 and minus 999 get cancelled. What is left? A minus B is left. What we got in the 100th term? A minus B is equal to 100. So, A minus B is same. A minus B is 100 because these differences are for the same APs. Okay. Therefore, the difference between the 1000th term is 100. This is our final answer. Thank you, students.